So what I've got here is delineator post with chains. This is a set that comes with 6 posts and chains. It's great for doing stuff like I'm about to show you. They're heavy duty based. And to install it, you're just going to take your post and you're going to slide it down into the base like so. And you're going to twist to lock it. Now it's locked in place. There's one. Two. I set up 4 of them. It comes with 6. I don't need to show you all 6 for this video. Then you have the chains that come with them. Now these are heavy duty plastic chains. They're just going to go in and they're going to hook in to these little hooks right here. Just press it in. There we go. And that way, there we go. These things are great if you say you want to shut off a part of a parking lot like I'm doing here. You just drop them here, stretch them across. Obviously, you've got a high reflective tape on the delineator post to help with the visibility. If you wanted to put some caution tape or something along the chains, you could do that as well. It's also great for maybe blocking off a single parking spot or just a few parking spots. And crowd control, if we do events in this parking lot, so to help with food lines and where people need to go and where people don't need to go, these things are great for that as well. The post itself is a heavy duty plastic, same with the chains. The base is a very heavy rubber and it's not going anywhere. It's heavy, it's nice, it's gonna do the job. So if you're in need of crowd control or parking lot control, here you go. These are a great option.